To keep mint leaves fresh, first gently rinse off the leaves in a strainer. Then cut off the ends of the stems at a slight angle with scissors, which will help them absorb water and stay fresh. Place the mint leaves in a jar or a glass and fill it with enough water to submerge the stems. Cover the top of the jar with a plastic bag and store the mint in the fridge for up to a month. Change out the water in the jar every few days to keep it clean. You can also keep mint fresh with a wet paper towel. Wet a long paper towel and squeeze out the excess water. Lay the mint leaves flat on one end of the paper towel, then roll them up inside of it. Place the wrapped mint leaves in an airtight bag or container and store them in the fridge for up to 3 weeks.